Hey y'all, I've got a GE motor here on my workbench today. This is a star oscillator. Not sure if it's what they call a 2-star or a 3-star, but anyway, it's regardless, it's about a circa 1915 motor. And this was sent to me for bearing work. And this is one of those motors that's got 3-conductor head wire. And a 3-conductor motor, you've got to go through the switch. The motor will not start unless you go through the switch. Now, a 2-wire motor, you can hook it up to a test lead, plug it straight in the wall outlet, and it should start up. But a 3-conductor head wire, you've got to go through the switch. So I'm going to plug it in and see what it's going to do. Okay, it starts up. It's a little bit noisy. So we're going to see what we can do with it. Okay, we just got inside the motor. I got the rear bearing out of the back end bell here, and you can look at this thing and see how badly egg-shaped it is. See how egged the hole is this way? It's a lot longer this way than it is across this way. You can see how elongated that hole is there. And I'm coming up with, I won't be able to do this with one hand, I know, but anyway, it's really bad out. So I'm gonna make a new rear bearing and get that back in there, and then we'll deal with the front end of it. All right, y'all stand by. Okay guys, here we are here with the circa 1915 GE Star oscillator motor. And I've got the old bearings out from in there. There's the old front and rear bearing that came out from in there. Made new bearings for it, got everything all put back together. Everything's aligned real good. Get all new thrust washers in there. And again, since we're a 3-conductor head wire here, you got to go through the switch to run these 3-conductor head wire motors. You can't just plug them in to a test lead without going through the switch. So I'm going to plug it in here and let's watch it run. All right. All right, there we go. She's running nice and smooth and quiet. You don't hear any of that grinding noise like we did before. There's a little bit of, I don't know if you can hear it, a little bit of gear slap in here from worn gears, but we can't do anything about the worn gears unless you just replace those gears. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.